It's okay, kitten cat. I love you so much. You're the best kitten in the whole world. You never stop being a kitten. Not to me. And I told you I would do anything for you, and I mean it. I mean it. I just love being around people, I know. It's a tough life being a kitty. Yeah, I heard the bird too. It's all right. Birdie's out there. I know. You want to murderize it, but you don't want to do that. You just want to lounge out, hang out, and be a good kitty. I love you, kitten cat. I love you more than anything. I'd do anything for you. Let's just take a nap, kitten cat.